Hello, a very quick announcement video for the olcCodeJam2020. Now I know I've posted this on the community tab, but a video tends to get a little bit of a larger audience, and I think it's well worth entering the OLC Jams. The first Code Jam was in 2018, and we had just 18 entries at the time, but all of the entries were of a high quality. Really exciting stuff. And then in 2019 we had another jam with 64 entries, and some of these entries were exceptionally good and made their way onto popular blogs. At the start of the lockdown this year we had our first exclusively a game jam, and we had 119 entries. And this was a very popular jam, got lots of attention. The entries were a great mix of all sorts of different game genres, written in all sorts of different engines. And in just 6 days' time I will be revealing the theme live on Twitch for the olcCodeJam2020. So far 175 people have shown interest. I've no idea how many entries we'll get, but I do know that it's going to be lots and lots of fun. I'm even going to enter myself, though I can't win. As usual with the Code Jam, it's not exclusively a game jam, so applications, tools and editors are welcome too. And you don't have to use any of the code provided by myself or any of the output of this YouTube channel. And most importantly, it doesn't matter what your ability is, so just come and have a go. It's great to see just how supportive the community is of each other. So do come and join in, and I'll see you in 6 days, 7 hours, 3 minutes and 20, 19, 18, 17 seconds. Just click on the link below in the description to take you to the jam page. Until next time, take care.